So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about computers. So before we begin the video, I would love to show you guys some main stuff what we are going to learn in today's video. So the first main thing which we are going to learn is what is computer, who invented the computer, and the parts of the computer, what is OS, types of OS. So yeah guys, now let's see what is a computer. So, a computer is a machine that can be programmed to carry out sequences of arithmetic or logical operations automatically. So, who invented the computer? Well, as you can see on your screen, that Charles Babbage is credited with having conceived the first automatic digital computer during the mid 1830s. Babbage developed the plans for the analytical engine. So as you can see, there's a small picture which shows him, Charles Babbage. So now let's look at parts of the computer. So when you hear the word computer, you'll get the visual of monitor. So monitor is an electronic output device that is also known as a display terminal. It is used to display images, text, video. And so now let's move on to another part called CPU, or known as central processing unit, and also called as main processor, or just processor. Is the electronic circuitry that executes in instructions of the compressor or computer program. So now let's look at very important part of the entire computer. It is called the mouse. The mouse is a handheld device that transmits your command to the computer by controlling the movement of the cursor or the pointer. As you can see, there will be a particular arrow on your screen, right? That is actually a cursor, or you can say a pointer on the screen. So as you move the mouse, the pointer on the screen also moves in the same direction where you are moving. So now let's move on to a very similar topic called keyboard. So a computer keyboard is an input device that allows person to enter letters, numbers, and the other symbols together. These are called characters. As you can see, they are with the bracket. So into a computer. So like if you are typing you can, if you're searching my channel, you'll type the names and on the search, right? That'll be using the keyboard. So it'll be both applied on both computer and even the mobiles. So now let's look at what is OS. An OS is the system software that manages the computer hardware, software resources, and provide common service for the computer programs. So yeah, you can say that it'll control the entire CPU or the entire computer. Now let's look at different OSs of companies. So first of all, well known, everybody's favorite, Microsoft Windows is a commonly, so it's very commonly worldwide used due to its simplicity. And so yeah guys, now let's see the details about Microsoft Windows. Microsoft Windows, commonly referred as Windows, is a group of several proprietary graphical operating system families, yeah, all of which are developed and marketed by Microsoft. So you can say that Windows is one of the most smooth and biggest marketer of OSs, or you can say one of the biggest developers of Windows or OSs. Yeah. So now let's move on to another similar and well-known OS called the Apple Mac OS. So yeah guys, when you heard the name Mac, everybody in the world knows what it is. So Mac OS is a proprietary graphical operating system developed and marketed by Apple and since 2001 it's a primary operating system for Mac, for Apple's Mac computers. So as you can see, there's a logo which symbolizes Mac OS. So Linux. So here we come to the old school. So Linux family is a family of open source like Unix like operating systems based on the Linux kernel and operating system. So yeah guys, I mean, as you see that Linux is one of the not well known but very well known for due to its Mac programming, or you can say like very tough features. So yeah guys, so yeah, comment down below which of the OSs you like. So in the future we can do some videos on that. So until that, take care. I'm your host Shreyas.R signing off. Thank you. Bye bye.